I think there's a number of things that how AI is going to be used, and there's this big talk that all our jobs are going to go, and all of these sorts of things. Now, I see even right now, what we're going to have is AI is augmenting what we do. So, we have our phones that can help us do things. We're seeing this, in lots of really interesting ways. So for example, there's people are developing software. There's pair programming where people are coding, and then AI is kind of working alongside people. And so we're seeing this with radiologists where they're able to sort of look at scans and double check. So have an AI kind of overlook at what's happening. And so what the net result of this is the productivity is growing, across all sorts of areas. We've got one company we're investing in right now, which is using computer vision and biologists and drones to be able to plant trees.